See you there, buddy. More doggo friends. Ah, lovely Labrador as well. Hey buddy. Absolutely spectacular. So a little history. Behind me is the glorious Munster River Blackwater, with its significant heritage dating back as far as the Mesolithic period. I have to read this, a lot of big words in this. In the 1980s, in a district known as Lefanta in Cappoquin, so it's also known as Green Meadow. It's about 14 minutes to 15 kilometers away from here. So over there in Cappoquin, they found artifacts 4,000 years old from a period back in the Mesolithic period, and it was between 8,000 BC and 4,000 BC, which is around about 4,000 years ago. So the find that they made was 7,000 year old artifacts. So it was found by an archaeological team in Cork University, which, believe it or not, only up the road. So a little bit of history on the Mesolithic period, because I hadn't heard of it before. Even though I love history, I haven't heard of this one. So it's between the Paleolithic and Neolithic. So it's more commonly known as the Middle Stone Age. So during this time, early human records showed that there were dark-skinned, blue-eyed people who began to figure out how to farm and domesticate animals, and they experimented on small bills as well, still relied on hunting and foraging as well. So I put up some pictures that I found online of what history buffs think they may look like. But yeah, it's fascinating. So La Fontana in Cappoquin, only over the road, 7,000 year old artifacts, which is fantastic. And that's part of the history and why I've come up to the River Blackwater today. Obviously, the scenery is absolutely amazing. Let's climb back aboard Bonnie and head on to our next location. To look at it. Can you see it? Oh, I got that little rush of excitement. It's absolutely random roads that Bonnie wasn't designed for, but Bonnie's going to enjoy, let me tell you. Oh. Yeah, and I passed it out, so that's definitely back to myself anyway. Yep, go. Lovely. Successful. Oh, how did I not drop Bonnie there? Oh. Whew. How did I not drop Bonnie there? Oh man, what skill! Need to cool off after that. Oh, that was close. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, I thought it was gone. Bonnie, me and you. How do we do that? Oh man. That was wild. Whew. Now we're going to see can we fit under this without getting head taken off. Ooh, look at this view. Wow. Oh my god, look at this. Look at this. Huh? Itchy boots eat your heart out. Oh my god. The view is just unreal. After nearly dropping Bonnie, how did that stay up? Wow. Good skill. Strong ties, I told you. And a good slice of luck as well. Wow, I'm going to have my lunch here. This place is absolutely stunning. There's Ballyphilip Castle over there as well. I took it off my AirPod. Look at it. How lucky am I? Wow. Look at it in today. But yeah. Oh man, that was a close one with Bonnie. Very close one. But the reward. Alright, so lunch is done, delicious, and onto the castle then. So Ballyphilip Castle right behind me, over my right shoulder there. This is actually called Strancally Tower, okay? So the tower stands in the forest, as you can see, forest all surrounding it there. And it's on the west bank here of the river Blackwater. So it's the Munster River Blackwater. I think there's another couple of river Blackwaters in Ireland. So this is the Munster version of it, and it's spectacular, as you've seen already, as I've shown you on the footage. So although Strancally Tower may have looked medieval in its origins, it was built around 1826 by John Keeley, who was also built his new Strancally Castle just north of it. So it's north of here somewhere. Where it is, I don't know, but we might find it another day. At that time, it was an architectural fashion to have a folly, a mock castle or ruin on your estate. It is possible that the folly, taking the form of a tower house situated on a raised bank overlooking the river, was also intended to be used as a fishing lodge also. So it wasn't intended as a normal castle, but as a mock castle on your estate. I'd say it's, you know, to show your wealth and your dominance probably in the area as well. So at present the tower is a private residence. Unfortunately, you can't get into the grounds. Like the surroundings with the river Blackwater, you have your ducks, you can hear the shooting, you might have heard it in the video earlier. When the shots come from this side, it actually rings around the whole place because there's so much peace and quiet as well. When a gunshot goes off, you can hear it vibrating all around the valley, which is fascinating to hear as well. But for Strancally Castle, we're finished on this one. We're going to head back up here, hopefully no more slips and slides, and we're going to head to Temple Michael Castle. Thanks very much for watching. See you in part 3. Until the next time, Deise Rebel out.